Assalamu alaikum, my dear children. How are you all? I hope you people are doing good. Till now, we have been learning the new concepts, isn't it, children? But as you know, the exams are around the corner. So let's prepare for that. So here we go. So, what is universe, children? Universe is nothing but it includes sun, moon, earth, and all forms of life. Now, the day sky looks different from the night sky. Yes, in the daytime you can see the sun, but in the night time you will see the other thing, that is the moon. And the sun, the moon, stars, and clouds are the fascinating, means attractive objects in the sky. These are the things that we see in the sky only, not on the earth, isn't it? Now, what is a star, children? Stars are nothing but they are the huge glowing balls of hot burning gases. Okay, they are the huge glowing balls of burning hot gases. What is a star, children? Repeat after me. Stars are nothing but the glowing balls of burning hot gases. Stars are nothing but the glowing balls of burning hot gases. And do you know, children, that actually the stars are much bigger than the earth? Why? Because they are very far away from the earth. In reality, the stars are very big than the earth, but as they are very far, they are looking very small to us. Okay, so this is the reason why the stars look so small to us. They are actually very big than the planet earth, but they are very far away. This is the reason why the stars are looking small to us. Okay, now, what is universe? Repeat after me. Universe. Universe. Universe includes the sun, moon, earth, stars, and all forms of life. Repeat after me. The universe includes the sun, moon, earth, stars, and all forms of life. The universe includes the sun, moon, earth, stars, and all forms of life. It's called as the universe. Okay. Now, most of the scientists, they believe that how the universe were formed means they thought that things in the universe were inside a small bubble. They thought that there was a small bubble inside that the things were tightly packed. Okay. Then later on, sudden explosion occurred, and all the things began to cool down and grow bigger, and the universe was born. So this is how the universe was formed, they thought. Who? Scientists. Okay, so our scientists thought that our universe came with a big bang. Big bang. Okay, repeat after me. Things in the universe were inside a small bubble that was hot and tightly packed. Then sudden after explosion, all the things began to cool down and grow bigger, and the universe was born. Okay, next main point is pole star or north star. What is it? It is nothing but it is the brightest star in the sky, and usually it is used by the travelers to find the north direction. Okay, next, what is galaxy? Galaxies are nothing but large group of stars. Galaxies are large group of stars. Galaxies are large group of stars. Repeat after me. GALAXIES, galaxies. ARAR, LARGE, large. GROUPS, groups. of STAR, stars. Galaxies are large group of stars. Okay, so what is galaxy means? Galaxy is nothing but a group of star is called as a galaxy. Group of star is called as a galaxy. Group of star is called as a galaxy. Next, the sun and the sun and our earth are the tiny parts of a galaxy known as the Milky Way. So what is Milky Way? The sun and our earth are tiny parts of a galaxy known as Milky Way. Repeat after me. The sun and our earth are the tiny parts of a galaxy known as the Milky Way. Next is, what is constellation? We have learned about the Orion and the Big Dipper. These are the famous constellation in the sky. So what is constellation actually? Constellation is nothing but a group of stars that forms the patterns in the sky is called as the constellation. Group of stars. For example, if you look at the sky, you may see sometimes the stars together makes the animal. Together it makes some objects like this axe or hammer, isn't it? All these are nothing but the patterns of the stars. The patterns or shapes of the stars, group of stars in the sky is called as the constellation. Okay. Next is solar system. What is solar system? Solar system is nothing but the sun, the planets, their moon, and many other objects such as comets and asteroids are together called as the solar system. Okay, the sun, the planets, their moon, and many other objects such as comets and asteroids are together called as solar system. And do you know that what is sun? Sun is a star. Now, sun is not a planet, children. Sun is in the middle. It is a star, and around it, all the 8 planets are revolving. How many planets are there in the universe? Of course, there are. Sorry, in the solar system, there are 8 planets. How many planets are there in the solar system? There are 8 planets in the solar system. What are they? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. So there are 8 EIGHT 8 planets in the solar system. What are they? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. There are 8 planets in the solar system. And what is sun? Sun is a star. What is sun? Sun is a star. What is sun? Sun is a star. Repeat after me. What is sun? Sun is a star. Next, how many planets are there in the solar system? 8 planets. How many planets are there in the solar system? 8 planets. How many planets are there in the solar system? 8 planets. What are they? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Next, what is orbit, children? ORBIT, orbit. Orbit is nothing but all the planets, all these 8 planets that travel around the sun in an oval path is called as the orbit. Look, all these 8 planets, they are revolving around the sun in this way. Okay, they are traveling around the sun in a oval path. These round circles are nothing but that path is called as a oval path. Okay, for example, you take this Jupiter. It's moving like this, around like this. So this round circle, in this way it is moving now. So this path is called as the orbit. Okay, repeat after me. The planets travel around the sun in oval path called orbit. The planet travel around the sun in oval path called orbit. The planets travel around the sun in oval paths called orbits. The planets travel around the sun in oval paths called orbits. I hope it's clear to you all. Okay. Now, which is the smallest planet in the solar system? In every, for example, you take the class, in your classroom, there will be one small boy and there will be one big boy. Likewise, here also in solar family also there is one small planet and one big planet. So, a small planet name is Mercury. Okay, Mercury is the smallest planet of the solar system, and Jupiter, it is the largest planet of the solar system. Repeat after me. Mercury is the smallest planet of the solar system and Jupiter is the largest planet of the solar system. Mercury is the smallest planet of the solar system. Jupiter is the largest planet of the solar system. Okay. If you look at the solar system diagram, here this dot, it's very small when compared to other planets, isn't it? So it is the smallest planet, Mercury. And among all, which is the large in size? This one. So what is this? This is Jupiter. So Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. And do you know that only sun has its own light? Remaining all planets, they are not having light. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given light to just sun. And all the planets, it is taking, and the other planets, it's taking light from the sun only. They don't have their own light. Only the sun has its own light. Okay. And apart from all these 8 planets, 2 more things are revolving around the sun along with the planets. What are they? They are nothing but the asteroids and comets. What are asteroids? Asteroids are nothing but the small rocky things that orbit the sun. Small rocky things means it is made up of stone like. So these asteroids are also revolving around the sun along with these 8 planets. Okay. And comet is also revolving around the sun with 8 planets. And what is comet? Comets, look at the picture. It is a comet. And it is made up of rock, ice and gas. Okay. It is made up of rock, ice and gas. And it is also moving around the sun. Well, that's it, children. I would like to end up my discussion, revision here, and we'll catch up with the next video with the second part of the revision. Till then, practice hard, stay safe, stay connected. Allah Hafiz.